restore and maintain any floor anywhere. One of the other great features of the Vibe is that it comes equipped with our patented orbital technology and our onboard spray system that makes cleaning much more efficient and environmentally friendly. The ORBOT Vibe is also certified by the Carpenter Rug Institute as a deep cleaning system that's recommended by flooring manufacturers from around the world. As you can see here, the machine comes with an on-off switch that's trigger-free. What we've also done, which is a nice feature, most single disc machines, or as they call it, floor polishing machines, have a trigger to allow the gravity solution to flow into the base. We've eliminated all of the cables and all the components, so it's hassle-free. All you've got to do to get the solution onto the floor is a simple switch that you trigger with your thumb. So on or off. The tank comes equipped for 5 gallons. It's got a solution feed if you need to put in water or solution from a sink. Has the same ORBOT lowering device handle, so you can lower the machine up and down. There's no cables, it's very solid and rigid. Moving down into the machine on the floor, you can see what we've done is we've actually built in the spray jets into the handle, so there's no moving components that can break. A very nice ergonomic feature to keep the machine robust. The pump is actually hidden on the inside, the lower frame that's built out of solid steel, so there's no possibilities for this pump to get in the way for any breaking of components, fittings and whatnot. As well, you can see the spray system here. All the hoses are tucked away, so the machine has been specially designed to fit any type of industrial, commercial application where the machine needs to be very rigid and strong. The Vibe comes equipped standard with a quick connect power cord system. Simply push to connect, twist to the right to lock, twist to the left to unlock. The system is great if you have to repair a cord. You don't have to go into the machine itself to do any repairs. We've added a drain port to the right side of the tank to easily remove solution from the tank. The ORBOT Vibe comes equipped with a weight kit mounting plate on every machine. So when you have your weight kit ready to do all of your hard floor cleaning, simply grab the weight, apply it on the plate, screw down, and it locks down with no tools required. So to easily change the pads on the ORBOT Vibe, we've designed the base to flip up, and we have a foot on the lower section of the base, which allows the machine to stand up without laying it on the floor. Simply take your pad, stick it on our Velcro drive system, and lower the base as so. One of the greatest features of the ORBOT Vibe is that we've designed a free-floating base. And what that free-floating base does is allows the pad to be 100% on the floor, which creates more friction on the floor. So every pass that you do forward to back, it's more efficient and faster. The ORBOT Vibe is not just a machine, it's an entirely new method that's changing the way we think about professional cleaning and restoration.